after all this time, Motorola might be joining the fold. Let's talk about it. So, this is exciting because this obviously looks like a very weird Surface Duo type foldable cell phone in front of us here. Now, this is just a booklet, right? But this is their little tease thing here that obviously says every fold reveals a possibility, right? Not a flippable, a foldable phone. Now, when I first saw this, what I thought was the Surface Duo, and that was the first thing that popped in my brain, and I was tickled pink. There's a absolute giant hole in my heart since Microsoft discontinued the Surface Duo series. So, when I saw this, that's the first thing I thought about. Other thing I thought about was there was a flippable phone, I think it was from Huawei, I want to say, who came out recently where it was actually a flippable cell phone, but it had the very similar form factor of like this type of concept. So I thought about that too, but listen, Motorola, if you come out with a Surface Duo, I will tattoo your name, your brand name, on my arm if you come out with a Surface Duo type phone. I telling you right now, that's how bad I want an actual working Surface Duo concept that isn't like just rushed or pushed or forgotten about. I want a legitimate one. 360-degree phone. I want it to actually work correctly, look beautiful, all the above, right? I will tattoo Motorola on my arm if they come out with that crap. I want that so bad. That's how bad I want that. But listen, this is a great step forward, man. And that's all that matters at the end of the day. Step forward. So it says we're getting ready to unfold new perspectives on January 6, 2026. And yes, you are. Yes, you are, Motorola. So this is what it looks like when it unfolds completely. It's just a bunch of, thingy-wingies like that. But hey, play around and find out. Because, oh man, if this somehow, some way happened. Again, I know it won't. I know, even a foldable cell phone anyway, I love. Because first off, number one, competition, right? Another person in the space releasing a foldable cell phone. Now, Motorola, again, they're very known for their flippable cell phones. And very affordable, by the way. So, to release a foldable cell phone, huge freaking mungus, right? Absolute legends. If they come out with a good foldable cell phone for a decently affordable price. That's another thing. Motorola is really good at keeping the price tag somewhat affordable. So, and that's better competition. You got, 2026 might be the most craziest year of all time. We got a foldable iPhone coming out next year, the OnePlus Open 2, the Z Fold 8, which is supposed to be amazing, the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold, which is supposed to be amazing. Like, next year, it might be the most magical year out there. So, I'm ready. 2026 is going to be the year, man. See you guys next one.